Hi guys, today going to celebrate because it's my birthday. And now, video so let's go!
Hello! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Robinsons. So, last night, sinurprise namin si Riven. Close your eyes! Close your eyes! Let's go!
Close your eyes. Wait.
Come here! Come here!
The surprise.
1, 2, 3! Surprise! Surprise! Wow! And sobrang tuwa niya dun sa mga gift. Lalo na dun sa mga coloring books, sa mga space, mga solar system, mga favorite niya kasi yan. So, ayun. Dadalhin namin siya sa kids zone na, kaya dito kami sa Robinsons pumunta para makapaglaro siya. Let's go! Andito na kami kay Lolin. So, uwi kasi kami ng Bulacan after dito. Can you kiss Lolin? Ma! Wow! Wow! Woo! Binigyan siya ng gift ni Lolin. Wow! Magpag-kidzuna ka pala! Hey! Let's go to Kidzuna! Dito na kami sa Kidzuna, Robinsons. Pero ang daming tao. Grabe, Sabado kasi. So excited pa yung bata. Are you excited? Nag-i-enjoy tong batang to. Enjoy! Go! To play! Yan, tapos na sila maglaro, tapos na si baby. Medyo napagod siya. So, next is kakain muna kami. Yan, dito na kami kakain sa Classic. So, ayun, order lang kami, tapos kakain. Mas di pa namin sure kung saan pupunta, basta gusto namin mag-enjoy si baby today. Ayun na yung food. So, pansit, chicken, may patatig pa ng chop suey. So, yan lang yung kakainin. Unfortunately, knockout yung birthday girl. So, tatapusin lang namin kumain, tapos baka lumipat kami ng SM Pampanga para mabilan namin siya ng toy. So, let's eat muna. Yan, tapos na kaming kumain. So, lilipat lang kami ng SM para pumunta sa Toy Kingdom para mabilhan namin ng toy itong si birthday girl. And then, not sure kung saan kami pupunta after, but we'll let you guys know. So, let's go muna sa SM. Yan, sa Toy Kingdom kami. So, pamimiliin namin siya ng toys. Even will find toys. Caterpillar? We're going to find Caterpillar? Oh, wala daw Caterpillar. So, let's find other toys, Raven. What toy do you like? Ayan, may hawak na siyang space coloring book. Itong barang to talaga mahilig sa coloring book. At any books actually, at saka educational toys. Prefer niya yan versus dolls. Mas gusto talaga niya yung mga ganyan. Dami niya na. You have puzzles. You have coloring books. You want this one? You want to make ice cream? That one is... Ba yan ah?
Ito daw kasi may ilaw.
Ah, may ilaw. Oh, you go for it.
Oh, ito, pero parehas. Lagi
Go
lang
for it.
ganun siya. Parehas lang yan.
Ginaganon din. Oh, which one you like?
You
This
choose
one?
You choose.
Oh, this one. It's big. Oh. Well, let's go. Let's pay it. What's that, Raven? Can I see? What's this? Ah, the whole red slime. Wait for mommy. Raven, oh, here's your toys. Happy birthday. Woo. You have a lot of toys. Say thank you.
Thank you.
We're home.
Way home.
And nakauwi na nga po kami galing sa SM, so hindi na kami nakapag-vlog after doon. Bumili lang kami ng toys, tapos dumiretso na rin. So, i-open namin yung mga toy ni Raven.
Don't worry, Ray.
Let's open!
My shopping.
Raven! Time to open your toys! Look! Wow! Wow! You have? Excited. Oh, you have two toys. You have puzzle and this one.
And the wonderful. And the wonderful puzzle.
Puzzle?
Okay. Wow. That is the burger.
Your slime.
Bye. Thank you.
Wow, what's that?
Malaki pa ano mo yan. Assemble mo yan. Oh, it's a fish. Crab. What's that?
Oh, God.
Even now, this time, this one. Yan, laki oh. Look oh, so big.
Bakit na kaya yan?
It's a big one.
Wow! Ganda naman toys ng baby.
Wow, look at that, Raven. Oh.
Hi.
Wow, nabuo na ni baby. Look at that, so cool. Wow, Raven's making an ice cream. Show it your ice cream, Raven. Where's your ice cream?
Yum, yum. Ito pa.
Yan, tuwa yung bata. So, happy birthday again, Raven. Raven, how old are you?
3.
Yeah, you're 3 na. You're so big na.
Bye na, say bye.
So, ayun, dito na rin po namin tatapusin yung video since nandito na rin kami. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman po yung birthday girl namin. So, ayan. Salamat po sa panonood. See you soon. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.